Turning attention, viewers, now to latest visuals that are coming in, live visuals that are coming in of the Prime Minister being greeted. That's the welcome that's taking place. He's, remember, at the last leg of his three-nation visit. He is in Zagreb, in Croatia. If we have an audio, let's amp up the audio there and listen in. Okay, that is the welcome that Prime Minister Modi is receiving in Croatia. There's a strong and vibrant Indian community there, and some of the traditional welcome that you are seeing on your screens right now, viewers, is also because of the strong Indology legacy that Croatia has. In fact, viewers, there's a very strong cultural connect between India and Croatia. Zagreb University studies Sanskrit and Hindi, and there's in fact a chair that's operational in the Zagreb University both for Hindi and Sanskrit, which is why you are seeing so many Croatians there welcoming and praying with Prime Minister Modi, because Hindi and Sanskrit are taught in one of the key universities there. Rath Yatra is also held in Zagreb since 2016. India Day celebrations are held across all provinces. So that explains and also tells you the kind of cultural connect between India and Croatia. And that's part of why the Prime Minister is there. There's also the cooperation on key factors, which includes trade, tech and investments. Bilateral trade between India and Croatia is upwards of $200 million, and key MOUs are likely to be signed between the two leaders going forward. And as I said on your screens is the key Indology legacy that one sees in Croatia. Prime Minister Modi being welcomed by members of the diaspora there. The third and final leg of his three-nation tour has started, where he's in Zagreb, in Croatia, and he will be holding the delegation-level discussions later in the evening, where focus will be on trade, tech, and investments.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं.
All right, viewers, tuning in right now are the live visuals coming in of Prime Minister Modi in Croatia. We're going to keep continuing with that story and keep giving you updates on that. It's time for a very short break.